Ensemble Genome Browser. Ensemble is a joint project between three organizations: European Molecular Biology Laboratory, European Bioinformatics Institute, and Wellcome Trust Sanger Institute. So that is a joint organization between these three organizations. Ensemble does not gather any genome directly. It works in relation with the sequencing centers that generate the genome assemblies. There are four main databases of Ensemble. The databases, they are Ensemble Core Database, Ensemble EST Database, Ensemble Compara Database, and Ensemble Variation Database. So these are four different databases of the Ensemble Genome Browser. Ensemble core databases, they store genome sequence and annotation information. They store information about the genes, transcript, and protein models. Databases store information about the cDNA and protein alignments. So all these information is present on the databases of Ensemble Genome Browser. Within one genome, what we can find from the Ensemble Genome Browser? Within one genome, we can find regulatory elements. We can find the gene order from Ensemble Genome Browser, comparative studies, evolution, conserved region, or the chromosomal rearrangements. Gene quality and gene prediction can also be found from the Ensemble Genome Browser. This is the link of the Ensemble Genome Browser. This is the home page of Ensemble Genome Browser. In case of Ensemble Genome Browser, this is the map view. So here we can see the map view of the chromosome. This is map view. The next is Ensemble Genome Browser BLAST. If we want to blast the nucleotide sequence, so with the help of Ensemble Genome Browser, we can blast the DNA sequences. This is the quantic view of Ensemble Genome Browser. Here we can see that this is the chromosome structure, and in this area of the chromosome, this is the quantic. So we can see the quantic with the help of Ensemble Genome Browser. This is the cyto view of in case of Ensemble Genome Browser. This is the chromosome, and these are the different bands which are present on the chromosome. Here we can see, here this is the band that have been magnified. So with the help of Ensemble Genome Browser, we can magnify the bands. This is the band that has been magnified here. So with the help of Ensemble Genome Browser, we can see different bands which are present on the chromosomes. This is the SNP single nucleotide polymorphism view, that with the help of an Ensemble Genome Browser, we can see the single nucleotides that have been shown here. With the help of Ensemble Genome Browser, we can see single nucleotides. So this is the SNP view of Ensemble Genome Browser. With the help of Ensemble Genome Browser, we can also view the markers which are present on the genome. This is the example of a marker DXS9752. So this is the marker which is present on chromosome X. This is the expected product size. Here is the left primer, and here is the right primer. So with the help of Ensemble Genome Browser, we can also view the markers which are present on the different chromosomes. This is the gene view of Ensemble Genome Browser. Here we can see the Ensemble gene ID. Here is the ID. Here are the base pair that has been shown here, that what is the start nucleotide of the gene and end nucleotide of the gene. So with the help of Ensemble Genome Browser, we can view different genes which are present on human genome. This is the exon view. With the help of Ensemble Genome Browser, we can see the exons here, black and capital, they are the exons. blue and small alphabets, they are the introns. So here is exon 1, then this is the intron, this is exon, then next intron, in this way, and the green, they are the 5 UTR regions. So with the help of Ensemble Genome Browser, we can see the exons and introns of the genes which are present on human genome. This is the protein view that we can see sequence of the amino acids of a particular gene. So this is the sequence of the amino acids of a particular gene. So we can also see the amino acid sequence of specific gene which are present on human genome. Ensemble Genome Browser has the genome of many organisms. Some of the examples they are, we can see the genome of humans, chimpanzee, monkey, mouse, rat, dog. The genome of all these species is present on Ensemble Genome Browser. These are some of the examples, although there is a long list of species whose genome has been sequenced and the sequence data is present on the Ensemble. So if we conclude that what is Ensemble, all data generated is free for download from the Ensemble. That includes the gene sequence, transcript, protein predictions. Ensemble provides a dedicated export view page, means we can download the sequence of the nucleotides or the sequence of the amino acid of particular proteins. We can download all the data free from Ensemble Genome Browser.